Now let's talk about two more things before we start to code in this environment. Number one, if you notice the name of the class and the name of the file matches, they must match. Otherwise, Java will give you an error. Second thing to keep in mind is you see a little asterisk next to the tab. That means you have made some changes and those changes needs to be saved. That's why you see a little asterisk next to a tab. Okay. The third thing I want you to know is go to the window menu, go to show view, and you will find in there something called navigator, and you will see deprecated written next to it. Means it was used in the past as the only way or the best environment of choice, but we don't use this view anymore, but it's a very good view for you to learn something. That's what I want to show you. So if you click a navigator, it may open the navigator at the bottom for you. You can always bring it up like this, just so that you can see what's going on here. You will have a folder called unit J because behind the scene, it creates folders. When you open the unit 1 folder, you will see two folders, a bin folder and the SRC folder. SRC folder means source. So all the source code that you write will be in the SRC folder. Whenever you compile a Java program, it is in the bin folder, which is called the bytecode. So the bytecode is stored inside. This is where the bytecode is stored, inside the bin folder. And your source code is inside the SRC folder. Now notice one more thing, that your bin folder's file has a .class as a file extension. And your source code has a .java file extension. So that's another indicator that .class is a compiled version and .java is the source code not yet compiled. So when you are running a Java program, you're running a .class file. So if you have a .class file of a Java program, you can copy that .class file and take it anywhere and run it on any platform. You don't have to recompile it. It is executable. So simply just typing the proper Java command, you can run it.